In this lecture, we're gonna show how to use a measuring tool in drawings. Using measuring tool in drawings is the same as using measuring tool in part file or assembly file. So with measuring tool, you can measure the distance, radius, surface area, and so on. So simply, we can go to Evaluate tab, and here we have a measure. Let's click on the measure. And now, for example, we want to measure what is the radius here. So just simply click on this radius. And now we have, this is the 0.295 inches. And we can see the radius here as well. If we want to delete this, right click and clear sections or delete. Let's measure the distance between this line and this line. So we have few distances here. We have delta x, delta y, delta z, and we are looking for the normal distance. This is delta y, 2.362 inches. Let's clear this section, and we were now using inches. We can change the unit system by clicking here, units precision. And now, instead of length unit inches, we click here, and let's go to millimeters. And okay. And now, for example, if we want to measure the radius of this one, we can measure the radius here, and also we can measure radius on the isometric view. Let's click here, and we see the radius is 30 millimeters. So this is the same thing if we measure radius here, 30 millimeters. We can also measure the surface area, for example, of this triangle. So we have here area and perimeter, and here as well. We can also measure the distance on the isometric view from this line to this line. So we have distance 15 millimeters. Let's clear. As well, we can measure angle. For instance, we want to measure angle between this line and this line. And here we have an angle, 135 degrees. And this is how you can use a measuring tool in drawings.